So in this lesson I'm going to show you how we can embed Grafana panel in any website. So I just created a very simple website. You can see this is my website which I have created, and if you want to see what is written in this HTML page, you can see this is what I have written, and now we are going to embed Grafana panel here. Now before we go on and embed Grafana panel, we also need to enable some of the settings in grafana.ini configuration file. So that's why I'm going to go to Grafana. I'm going to go to the server where we have Grafana installed, and then we are going to edit grafana.ini file in VI editor. You can use any other editor if you want, and then we are going to search for embedding. And here you need to make sure that you have set allow embedding to true. By default it is gonna be, you are going to see a semicolon here, so you need to remove that semicolon, and also if it is set to false you need to change it to true. And then the other thing which we need to change is anonymous. Search for anonymous, and here we need to make sure that in authentication enabled you have set enabled to true, and make sure you remove the semicolon as well. And org name and org role you can leave it as it is. Just remove the semicolon prefix which is there, so these changes can take effect. Now you can save it, and then you need to restart Grafana. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and restart Grafana, and now we are good to go ahead. We are just going to refresh this page just to make sure that Grafana is loading properly again after the restart. And yes, Grafana is loading properly. Now we are good to embed this panel. So for that, in order to embed a panel, we need to click here on this title. You see a tiny little arrow, so we are going to click there, and then we are going to click on share. And in share we are going to select embed, because we want to this panel to be able to embed to any other website. Now here it is giving us this tiny little iframe. We can copy this iframe, and we are going to paste this iframe here. So that's all. I'm just going to save it, and then we are going to go to this website, and I'm going to refresh it, and let's see what happens. Now you can see that we have Grafana panel embedded here. Now if you want to change height and width, you can do that of course. For example, you can see current height and width is set here. If I want to make it little bigger, and I can do that as well. So I'm just going to do that first. I'm going to refresh it. You can see now Grafana panel is being open in pretty large space. So this looks too large. I'm just gonna change it to something which we can easily manage. So I'm just gonna make it 750, and then I'm also going to show you some of the other settings, so just be with me. Okay, now you see, notice one thing, that this Grafana, this data is not changing. Okay, and the reason why this is not changing is here. So if you see, when we embedded or when we copied this iframe, you can notice here we have current time range, and it says transform the current time range to an absolute time range. So that's the reason this is this time has been fixed here. So that's the reason this Grafana panel which we see here is not refreshing. So what I'm gonna do is we need to disable it, and then you can see this is the updated iframe which we received. So I'm going to remove this older iframe, and then I'm gonna paste it with this updated iframe. And also let's just make it 750, and also height we can make it 400, and save it. And now we are going to go here, going to refresh this, and now we can see that we have updated Grafana panel. Now here you will notice that data points are going to refresh automatically. Now you can see new data point has been added, which is 13, 31, 15. And as we speak, there is more and more data is going to continue keep adding here, which you will be able to see. Okay, you can see a new data point which is for 13, 31, 30. So that's it. That's all in this lesson. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer.